So let us start with the sums of the second chapter. First question. We have an electric pump has power 2 kilovolts. So data, I will write down power as 2 kilovolts. How much water will the pump lift every minute? Now timing every minute means 1 minute. So the height of h is equal to 10 meters. Okay. Now children, here this is in kilovolts. So I need to convert it into volts. So that is 2 into 1000. So that is 2000 watts. And 1 minute. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Right? I have to take it in a volts. The MKS unit is volts. Or MKS unit for time is seconds. So I have to do this. And now I have to find out the work done. Now what will be the, how much mass, how much more this water. So you have to find out mass of the water. So required thing is mass is equal to how much. Let us go to the solution. Now what is power? Power is rate of doing the work. Right? So it is mgh upon t. Right? So children, what is m? M is nothing but p into t upon g into h. m को इस तरफ रखा, बाकी सबको इस तरफ लेके आए. Now solve it, substitute all the things. So we have 2000 multiplied by 60 upon 9.8 into 10. Now 9.8 into 10 will be 98 only. ये और ये कट हो जाएगा. Right? And above what you will have 1, 2, 3. Okay, into upon 98. Now do the possible cancellation, children. So here I am having 49. Here I am having 1000. So what will have 6 and then how many zeros are there? 1 iska or 3 iska. So 4 zeros divided by 49 is equal to m. Correct? So now we have to solve it up to 2 places of decimal and get the answer. So let's do that. So quickly, I am doing division here. You can do it on rough page. So 49, 1s are 49, 11 remains 0, 49 2s are 98, 12 remains 0. अभी देखो ये 0 ये रहा, ये 0 इधर आया, right? 120. Again I have to divide by 2 only. 98 came. It remains 22. Now the last 0 came. 220. 4s are 196. Remains 24. Now decimal point. Put zeros. 49. 49 4s are again 196. What remains is 44. So put 0. 49 9s are roughly it comes to be 441. So next it will be coming 8, but it will be rounded to 9. So if you just convert it into एक का ही डिफरेंस है, तो अगर तीसरा डिजिट लोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली यहाँ पे 9 हो जाएगा. So the answer come out to be 1224.49 is equal to m. So write down your answer. Answer therefore M is approximately equal to. Children see this sign. ऐसे sign करते हैं ना, S जैसी उल्टा. That is approximation. Is approximately equal to 1224.5 kg. Okay, 400 gram, 490 grams is nearly half kg. So this is what is the answer. Got it? Now let us go towards the second sum. Write it this quickly first. Second sum we have if a 1200 volts electric iron is used daily for 30 minutes. So iron is there, whose power is 1200 watts, is used for 30 minutes. So T is equal to 30 minutes. How much total energy is consumed in the month of April? Children, पूरे महीने भर का पूछा है, तो टाइमिंग एक दिन का 30 minutes. So like that, for how many days are there in April? 30 days are there. So you have to multiply it by 30. Correct? Okay, so that is what is information given. And children, here you are asked to find out the answer in units. Okay, so that you have to take care. Always the electricity bill is in units, so that you are going to do. So kilowatt hour. Remember that 1 unit is nothing but 1 kilowatt hour. So children, we will convert into kilowatt and hour. Okay, so this is in watts. So how many kilowatts will be there? 1200 divided by 1000. That is 1.2 kilowatts. है ना, 1200 ग्राम मतलब 1 किलो 200 ग्राम. Same way here, 1200 watts is 1.2 kilowatts. And now I have to convert these into hours because what unit में आंसर पूछा है ना. So kilowatt hour. So this minutes, this is 30 minutes means what? 30 upon 60 hours. है ना, आधा घंटा ना. 30 minutes मतलब आधा घंटा. See this. और फिर 30 this.
Yes, miss.
Answer 15 to 15. So answer is 15 hours. The total तुमने रोज आधा घंटा यूज किया 30 दिन तक, तो मतलब आप लोग ने 15 घंटा यूज किया. Correct? So now we will be, see, maximum simplification we have done. Now let us go to the solution. Solution is power is equal to W upon T. So what is the work done? P into T. Correct? So power is 1.2 and your timing is 15 hours. Kilowatt hours. So दोनों का multiplication कर. So that will be your answer. So let us do it. 12 upon 10 into 15 is equal to your this. 5 3s are 5 2s are 2 6 are and 6 3s are 18. So 18 units. So that will be in units. So your energy used is, so W is equal to 18 units. Correct? As they have given asked the answer in units, so we can write down in units. Electric consumption is always in units. So we can write the answer 18 units electricity is consumed in the month of April. Got it? So only the main thing is you do the conversion properly as per the given data. Whatever things are there, you have to do it. say it actually. Remember that electrical energy is always in units, so you have to convert into kilowatts hour. Write it down quickly. Then we will go to the next sum. Now the next sum says, if the energy of a ball falling from a height of 10 meters is reduced by 40%, how high will it rebound? So children, here actually two things are there. Okay, the ball is from a height 10 मीटर से 10 मीटर है, 10 मीटर की हाइट से ना जैसे ऐसे बॉल गिरा, बॉल गिरने के बाद में ये वापस ऊपर जाता है, लेकिन वो पूरा वापस 10 मीटर तक नहीं जाता है. इट गोज टू लिटिल सम लिटिल हाइट बिकॉज यू हैव द ग्रेविटेशनल पुल फ्रॉम द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ना, तो पीछे तक आया तो क्या होगा, इधर तक ही जा रहा है. सो व्हाट दे आर सेइंग दैट देयर एनर्जी इज रिड्यूस बाय 40%. इसकी जो बॉल थी ना उसकी एनर्जी 40% से रिड्यूस हो गई जब वो रिबाउंड हुआ, तो उसका मतलब उसके पास कितनी एनर्जी बची, 60% एनर्जी. तो 60% एनर्जी में वो कितना तक जाएगा, दैट इज व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन. इज द क्वेश्चन क्लियर?
Yes.
So we are going to solve it. So we are going to take two the other height we have to ask. So I will be using suffix h1 and h2, e1 and e2, like that I will be using. So in the data you have h1 as 10 meters, starting में 10 meters पे थे, right? And energy is e1. Then what happened? E2 is what? 40% reduced. So 100 minus 40, that is equal to 60% of E1. See, this part is clear to you? 40% reduce होगा तो रहा कितना, 60%. So we have E2 is 60% of E1. You have to find out what is height, H2. हाँ, 60% को कैसे लिखोगे, 60 upon 100 into E1. I hope you know it. Correct ना? So this is what it is. Okay. So now let us do it. Let us find out the relationship. So what we have, E1 क्या होगा, mgh1 और E2 क्या होगा, mgh2. Correct? So now what is E2? E2 I can write down as 60% of E1. So 60% of E1 is equal to mgh2. Correct? हाँ, now E1 की जगह मैं mgh1 लिखूं. So 60 upon 100 into mgh1 is equal to mgh2. Is it clear? Now children.
Yes, miss.
Now I know that h is 10. So let me have substitution there. So 60 upon 100 into mg h1 की जगह पे I will put 10. I will bring this mg here. यहाँ पे सिर्फ h because we have to find h2 ना, so I will keep it there. Now this mg and this mg will get cancelled. Correct? 10 10s are 10 6s are. So what you are left with? 6. So 6 is equal to h2. 6 is equal to h2. So what you will write down? The ball will rebound to a height of 6 meters. So you can just write down answer. the ball will rebound to a height of 6 meters. Got it? Shall we go towards the next sum? Next sum says the velocity of a car increases from 54 kilometers per hour to 72 kilometers per hour. How much will be the work done if the mass of the car is 1500 kg? Now children, if you observe, here they have said kilometer per hour. Normally when we go in the train or when we go in a plane or we go in a car, always the speed is measured in kilometers per hour. But kilometers per hour is not MKS unit. तो क्या करने का MKS unit में convert करना पड़ेगा. Now what to convert? Today I am giving you a trick. Every time we will not do the division. I will give us some multiplying factor to you. I'll just show it to you. See, what is it? 1 kilometer upon 1 hour. ठीक है. 1 किलोमीटर के मीटर कितने हुए? 1000. 1 आवर. हमको क्या चाहिए? मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो 1 घंटे की सेकेंड, 1 घंटे में 60 मिनट्स और 1 मिनट में 60 सेकेंड. सो टोटल 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds will be there. So if whatever things are there, if I multiply with that, with this, you am going to get in the meter per second. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, पहले इसको ही सिंप्लीफाई कर देती हूँ. ओके, सो this here will come 6, here it will come 100. I am just cancelling 0 0. Then here also 10. Now half of 10 is 5, half of 6 is 3. So that is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second. So children, 1 kilometer per hour is nothing but 5 by 18. तो जितना भी हो, चाहे 72 जितना भी उसको 5 by 18 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. गॉट इट? सो ये मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर आपको एक बार याद हो गया है कि जो भी आएगा उसको जस्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 by 18. यू कैन टेक डायरेक्टली द आंसर इन मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर द स्पीड इज गिवन इन किलोमीटर्स पर आवर, दिस इज व्हाट इज दिस. तो आपको ये हर बार करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट डाउन एज what is the first speed given? The velocity of car increases from 50 kilometers per hour. So initial velocity u is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. तो आप कैसे करोगे? डायरेक्टली ये सब नहीं दिखाओगे तो भी चलेगा. 54 multiplied by 5 by 18. Now how this 5 by 18 came? That all the working I have shown to you. Normally children, if you see ना, ये जो भी speed देते हैं ना, they are giving the multiple of 18 only. 18 3s are 54. So 15 meters per second. Now v how much given? 72 kilometers per second. So 72 kilometers per hour. Sorry, kilometer per hour. So 72 multiplied by 5 by 18. So you have 20 meters per second. So this is what initial things are given, and you are going to find out the work done if the mass is given. Mass of car is 1500 kg, and you are going to find out the work done. Actually here what is the work done? It is nothing but the increase in the kinetic energy. जो ये 15 से 20 में किया फास्ट, जितनी बनी उतना ही वर्क हुआ होगा ना. सो व्हाट वी विल बी यूजिंग? विल बी यूजिंग हाफ mv square minus half mu square. So I hope the data is clear to you. Please write it down, the data, and then we will start with the solution part. So solution. Work done is increase in kinetic energy. So that is half mv square minus half mu square. Initial and final. So final minus initial will come na. So what I'll do it shortcut way करती हूँ, half m common ले लेती हूँ, we'll have v square minus u square. Now half mass given was 1500, v square v 20 था ना, so 20 square minus 15 का square. So it is half into 1500 750 कर दूँ. Yes. So it is 750 multiply by 20 का square हो गया 400 और 15 का 225. So if you open the bracket, so first you do it subtraction 750 into 175. So answer of this will come as 131250 joules. Right? So you write the answer. The work done to increase the velocity of the car is equal to 131250 joules. Okay, now सबसे easy is the last sum. Very easy. Last sum says Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton. So force is given and moved a book to 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter है, कुछ नहीं मीटर में कर देंगे convert. In the direction of the force. How much was the work done by the Ravi is the question. So let us write down the data. It's very easy. Just you have to write down W is equal to Fs and you will get the answer. So you have data. F is equal to 10 Newton. S is equal to 30 centimeter, which is 30 upon 100 meter. Convert it into meter. And required, you have work done is how much? So we will have solution. W is equal to F into S. So that is 10 into 30 upon 100. 10 tens are 10 threes are. So answer is 3 joules. That's it. Therefore, the work done by Ravi is 3 joules.